Daniel.
What?
Say hello.
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 Hello. Yeah, we don't see. I mean, these have been here ever since conference Sunday, and
yeah, they're
like,
gone in
look,
a
it's
week.
still full. So.
They're gonna be gone in a week if I listen to myself.
Hey, Mom.
Hi.
I'm not gonna do that.
Say hello to my 42 followers.
My nipples are
Hello.
anyway. There's not much
Hello, followers.
Hello, 40 people who care about my
Someone tried to give
movies.
me a purple nurple and he's like, where's your nipples?
It's like, wait, oh, sorry.
Welcome to our mess.
Welcome. This is Life in Arizona, Volume 1. This is Vincent, Emma.
Yes,
And there's a bathroom.
there's the bathroom.
Here's the bed.
There's a bed.
In future installments, this bed may not be there, so this will be Easter egg for you eagle-eyed viewers.
And this is Dawson.
Hi, I'll be the videographer for this 6th installment.
I think
This
I'm
is
gonna-
Daniel.
I'm gonna put an edit with like a little thing that says Dawson's Cam.
Yeah,
And
that'd be fine.
then it will have segments with you in there if you want.
yeah.
People would like you for your snarky comments.
Yeah, you're hilarious.
This is my
You're always.
this is my old car.
Part of being a good vlogger.
The
is not
Jeep.
including your vlog.
It used to be Emma's. Then it was mine. Now it's Emma's again. She's taking it away from me.
Wait, what was?
The Jeep.
Oh, you mean it was always mine, and I just let you use it for the
You know
last
what?
year.
Let's move on. If you notice, the house is kind of yellow. That's because we've got kind of yellow walls and yellow lights. In this room, this is my mother's craft room. It's a little messy. Let's move on. This is what I like to call the sanctuary, the quantum of solace, the razzle dazzle surprise room, because you never know what's gonna happen in here.
Oh, anything could happen.
Alright, that's weird. Laundry room. Now if we come to this hall in the eastern quadrant, this is a bathroom.
Sound just like a little more exciting. This is the laundry room.
Dawson, acting lessons. Acting lessons. Remember it.
Hi guys.
I thought you were funny or something.
This is the Wiz Palace. If you come in here, we have a dining room. I hope this is exciting enough for you viewers. Next, we have the music room. Not much music going on in here these days. We've got a piano, little shrine, some guitars, Halloween tree, no decorations on it. So next on our spiffy tour is the living room. This is kind of the central mecca of the house, I'd say, the metropolis. A lot of energy in this room, a lot of energy. So this is the kitchen. Light bulbs are going out. We got some pans hanging up. Now, if you're worried if these pans are going to fall onto the counter, never fear. It's attached to the ceiling. Anyway, for those of you who are following Emma's story in her life, this is her early life. Her with her grandma, with her siblings. Obviously, she went through a kind of weird looking phase. This is Emmeline when she first made the trip to New York. That's her right there with this weird hair. This is Emma and Vincent when they first got married. As you can see, they've really grown since then. This is a little picture of the family. This is Emma, the early days. We call that the awkward phase. Anyway, and this brings us back to the unpacking. Thanks for watching, viewers.
That's it, folks.
Oh my god.
That was bad.
Let's end it. Let's end it right there.
Are we ready to go?
Bye.
Ready, go.
Oh.
Good job!
Yay!
There's one of you.
Yeah.
You did it.
I like it.
Oh, but
Yeah. Ready? And some more.
Been out walking on the rough patch now, but I must say,
How you doing?
Doing great.
That's awesome.
It's just
Pretty here,
chilling on
huh?
a Sunday. It's weird. It's my first weekend here
I know. First weekend of many.
in the U.S.
Yeah. As a resident.
as a resident. It's kind of weird.
and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things I hide. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. I'm not usually the one who acts.
Hey. Hey, beautiful. Hey, gorgeous.
You mean me with my thrift store shirt?
Yeah.
And my hair that I haven't washed in 3
Yeah,
days?
you.
Thanks, honey.
I mean, look around. There's not really anybody behind you. I can try to. I can try to tune it.
Vincent knows how to play ukulele.
Oh, and Mrs.
Yeah, and it's a toy, so I don't know how to do strings. Nor do I have strings. But
It's really easy.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Dawson's Cam.
Hey, make it so you can see yourself.
Oh,
You're just showing them like dirt.
hello everyone, welcome back to Dawson's Cam. As you may have noticed, we're outside. Here we've got a sky.
Here we have the sky.
This is a
It's almost
street.
like you can have the sky everywhere you go.
These are streets in America, ladies and gentlemen.
It's like
This is welcome to Urban America, Dawson's.
suburban America.
Welcome to Dawson's Cam, Suburban America.
This is very.
As you may have noticed, we have many instruments here in suburban America.
Like the mighty ukulele.
The mighty ukulele and a palm tree.
Wow.
Vincent, how do you feel about suburban America compared to suburban France?
It's majestic.
Remember, folks, you heard it here first. And ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a park. One of many parks here in the Val Vista Lakes, Gilbert, Arizona, United States of America neighborhood. We've got a lot of parks, we've got families, we've got walking dogs, and we have plenty of mosquitoes. Another part of suburban America we have is Plant Life Lane.
Quiet music.
As you may have noticed, gosh!
Don't drop the camera.
What, Willie?
Oh, Vincent, it's so mean to do to the cameraman.
caught it on camera, dude.
So, we call this park the Green Park because of how green it is. Austin, how do you feel about suburban America?
Pretty good.
Megan, what are your thoughts on suburban America? Welcome, we're doing a survey.
It's great, thanks.
Remember, folks, you heard it here first. Mom, how do you feel about suburban America?
well, I am a suburban, and I live in America.
There you are.
You are a suburban?
Daniel, how do you feel about suburban America?
don't lick the sidewalk. It smells really bad.
Love
You
it.
know, don't lick it.
Remember, folks, you heard it here first. Well, that's enough of
Hey, how are you?
That's enough of Dawson's Camp for now. See you later on the next installment.
I'd go home with anyone. I've been out walking on the rough patch now, but I must say, living on the edge of things has been kind of fun. Look, there's a bruise right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show.
I'm gonna cut off. I'm just gonna have to cut.
I just want cheese.
You've never had this?
That's my first time.
Okay, pile it on. Lots of gravy with chicken. It's gonna make it so delectable.
You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. usually the one who acts out. All those crazy little things we all kinda dream about. A good thing we are running out of sunlight. It's not necessary for.
Surprise, we're in Italy.
Hey, you can have the answer just here.
This is my life now.
Oh, these are really fun.
That little party that we talked about with my family, so.